Hey guys, today I'm going to give my first impression on Love Etc. foundation and concealer. The foundation I'm using is in the shade called Walnut and the concealer is in the shade called Honey Glaze. Now this is 33 ml of foundation which cost 1850 Indian rupees and the concealer is 5.5 grams which cost 950 Indian rupees. And I really love how pretty the packaging looks with all the purple shades. And this I have picked from Shoppers Stop. I went to the store and tried all the shades and got myself these two products. So let's try them out together. Now I'm going to use the Forever 52 primer over here. This is a pore blurring formula which I've recently tried and enjoyed. So let's see how this foundation and concealer holds up for my combination skin. So this is how the foundation looks like. It got a pump, which I really enjoy when foundations have pump because you can control the quantity you are getting. Now this foundation is called 4K Blur Matte Foundation. So this foundation contains hyaluronic acid, peptide and marula oil. So it is supposed to be hydrating on the face but yet gives a blurring matte finish. This is a full coverage foundation. So I'm going to use a little bit and I'm going to add in the product layer by layer. I'm using the Mars double-ended foundation brush because this works so well for me. I'm going to add a little bit around my cheek and on the areas where I want more coverage. I'm going to see how it works when I want to get higher coverage. It's very lightweight, does not give any kind of dryness or patchiness onto my face, and I still have a lot of product left on my hand, so you need little bit. This gives really good coverage, guys. Coming to the concealer, I'm in the shade called Honey Glaze. This is to brighten up the under eye. I love the applicator of this concealer. I'm going to use a little bit. I'm not a concealer person. Now guys, full marks for the formula. Guys, let me tell you, I was not expecting this kind of reaction. The base looks super gorgeous and the kind of blurring effect it is giving to my face is so good. Quite impressed. Let me complete my makeup and I'll be back. Hey guys, so this is how the final makeup looks like. It's giving such a beautiful 4K blur effect, true to its name. Today I'm going to skip touch-ups. So let me come back at night and show you how this foundation holds up in the next 9 hours. Hey guys, I'm back and this is how my foundation looks. I wore it around 1:30 p.m. and right now it's 9:30 p.m. The hydrating formula of this foundation and concealer really worked for my skin. Now I really enjoyed that this is a cruelty-free, paraben-free and a vegan formula. Especially around the smile lines and the T-zone, the foundation breaks after 5 to 6 hours, but this one holds so well. I really love the dewy finish of this foundation and the soft blurring effect I have over my cheeks. And today I hugged one of my friends just to see if this foundation transfers or not, and it did not transfer. I really enjoyed that this is a transfer proof formula too. Now the only problem that I find over here is the shade range. I went to Shoppers Stop to check out all the shades and I find there are 8 shades for foundation and concealer, and those shades are more perfectly suited for the fair skin tone, but for the olive skin tone and deeper skin tone we don't have any shade. For me this is the shade called Walnut and this is the second deepest shade they have, and other than that I don't think they are covering the deeper skin tones, and in India we know there are so many beautiful skin tones that we could cover. Many a times brands do not include those deeper true olive skin tones and we end up having grayish foundation on our face which does not look good. I just wish the Love Etc. team could add in more shades, more olive deeper skin tone, so that everyone have their perfect shade in the foundation and the concealer. Considering these two really worked out well for me.